everyone, welcome to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy, and as you can see we have here a new package which contains the Sony SRS-XB20 wireless speaker. As always, we're going to find out together what's inside and how to use this thing, so let's not waste any time and unpackage it. Okay, so we know what's included inside the package, now let's take a closer look at this speaker. The Sony SRS-XB20 is a portable and wireless Bluetooth speaker that offers excellent audio quality for a speaker this size. Its battery life is reasonable for this type of portable speaker. The speaker is water resistant, which makes it very useful for outdoor activity, but personally I didn't use it near water. The wireless signal works well in a distance of up to 10 meters and even more than that. It deteriorates when the distance is large and additional speaker is added to the audio streaming, for example like it happens in the stereo mode. It can be connected with other speakers, but this feature is limited to certain models, which is a bit frustrating in my opinion. Some of its features are good to have, such as the built-in microphone for phone calls and voice assistants, the extra bass, and that you can pair it with up to 99 other speakers, while other features it offers like the light don't matter to me that much. There are newer models in the market, such as the Sony SRS-XB21, but I'm not sure if it offers that much of an improvement compared to the Sony SRS-XB20. Let's go over the specs of the Sony SRS-XB20. The compact enclosure combines dual passive radiators along with two 42mm full-range stereo speakers. The Bluetooth version here is 4.2, the supported codecs are SBC, AAC and LDAC, while the supported Bluetooth profiles are A2DP, AVRCP, HSPC, HFP and SPP. As I've mentioned, it operates well up to a range of 10 meters. The speaker has a built-in lithium-ion battery that lasts up to 12 hours, but if you're gonna raise the volume level to the max, it will last about up to 3 hours. Charging time takes between 4 to 12 hours, depending the USB cable that is used to charge it. The speaker has an elegant design. If you want to spice up its look, then you can get it in a different color than black like mine. It weighs approximately 600 grams, which isn't much, but it doesn't feel hollow when holding it like it usually feels with cheaper speakers. The build quality is just superb. The speaker is made from good materials and it can withstand a bump here and there. As for the volume level and the audio quality, first let me do a brief sound test. The SRS-XB20 generates an impressive sound compared to other speakers that might go head-to-head with it. I enjoyed listening to music with this speaker, and most of the time there weren't any distortions, which occurs only if there's a hardcore bass music. And in this case you can turn the extra bass off to tender the sound quality. The volume level it reaches can fill a large space, so I'm sure yoga instructors will love it, and it would be a great companion for those who party outdoors and seek after a sound solution. The speaker is water resistant up to a certain degree. It is rated IPX5 water resistant, which means it protects the main unit against rain, and it's washable. The cap at the back of the speaker plays a very important role in the maintenance of the water resistance performance, so make sure to close it properly. Please note that the speaker isn't fully water resistant, and it would be best not to expose it to water of any kind. Personally, I avoided using it near water unless you consider placing it in the kitchen while washing the dishes. As for operating this speaker, well, you don't need a college degree to operate it. At the top of the device are located the control buttons and indicators as following. This is the power button that is also used to pair the speaker with other devices. That's the LED indicator that shows when the device operates, charging, etc. These are the volume buttons, and next to them is the add button. By using the add function, you can connect two speakers that will be used as left and right to create stereo sound. Plus, the speaker supports wireless party chain, a feature that allows to connect the speaker to up to 99 other speakers simultaneously and stream to all of them audio wirelessly. This feature is usually used in parties, though I never attended one that offered such an attraction. It is recommended to download to your device an app named Music Center, formerly known as SongPal, that is available for Android, iOS and even PC computers. Currently I'm not using this app too much, but if something will change over time, I will update this info. Please note that you should use Sony speakers that supports this feature as well. That's the play and pause button. When playing audio from your device using a media player, you can double the playing speed by pressing it twice, or even tripling it by pressing 3 times. That's the call button that is also used to tell the status of the battery life by pressing it for 3 seconds. The speaker sounds voice guidance in English, including when setting the speaker into pairing mode, or when you want to learn the battery status by pressing the call button for 3 seconds. And that's the extra bass button. A short press on it will turn the extra bass on or off, while a long press on it will control the light. At the back of the speaker is a removable cap that protects the following: the power socket, the reset button, and this 3.5mm line-in socket. Another useful feature this speaker offers is that you can connect it with other devices that supports NFC. All you need to do is tap on the speaker with the device that you want to connect, and it will turn on and connect immediately using Bluetooth connection. The speaker has a built-in electric condenser type omnidirectional microphone that allows using it when making phone calls. You need to make sure that your smartphone allows audio and phone calls when the speaker is connected via Bluetooth. You'll be glad to know that the speaker is compatible with Siri, which I didn't test, and Google Voice Assistant, which I tried and works well. As you can see, at the front of the speaker there's an ellipse LED light that surrounds the speaker and flickers according to the audio's beat. This is a cute feature, especially if you plan to use this speaker as part of a wireless party chain, but personally I don't mind too much about it and prefer to turn it off to save the battery life. Let's talk about the things that I didn't like in this speaker. First is the price when the speaker is not on sale, because I managed to purchase it for $50 when it was on sale, but when it's not on sale the price seems to me far from being attractive, since there are many alternatives in the market. Also, you should know that there's already a newer model for this speaker, the Sony SRS-XB20, but I'm not sure if it offers a significant difference compared to this one. Basically, the wireless signal works with no interruptions up to 10 meters and even more than that, but when I added another speaker to create stereo mode, the signal suffered from disturbances. Some of the attractive features are available only if you're gonna use 2 or more speakers by Sony. In order to use the add function and the wireless party feature, you must use specific Sony speakers, which is a bit unfortunate, and yet Sony isn't the only brand that does that, as the intention is to drive the customer to purchase more than one speaker and or drive other people to have the same speakers as their family and friends. Unfortunately, even when I used other Sony speakers from the SRS-XB series, not all of them supports the wireless party chain. Well, boys and girls, this was my video review of the Sony SRS-XB20 wireless speaker. For more details about it, please check the description to the video, and if you still have any questions, please let me know by commenting on this video. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to give it a like. Also, I invite you to subscribe to my other YouTube channels, follow me on the social networks, and visit my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye.